Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this step-by-step DIY video, we're going to be installing a carbon fiber lip from RW Carbon on my 2016 BMW M5. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get this DIY started. Okay, so on the front lip here, you're going to have some little drill indicators, little divots in there. So that's where we're gonna drill at. We're gonna start with a 3/16 drill bit just to go ahead and get it started. We're gonna make some additional screw holes in here. We're gonna at least hit the ones that they have outlined out here. So you definitely wanna wear a proper mask just so you're not breathing any kind of resin in. And you can always move up from your drill bit size. Just taking one of the screws that they provide from the hole I just drilled, and that's perfect. So just so we can get a little bit of room, we're gonna raise up the car just a little bit, just to get, our drill and everything down from the front there. Make sure you're using a jack pad underneath. Now we're gonna get up underneath the car, and these are 8mm. There's 4 of them in total here. So what you're gonna also do is go ahead and drill some additional holes. It does include additional screws, which you'll just screw in the bottom of the bumper. So, and we're gonna put some 3M tape all along the front part here. So we still gotta do that, but let's go in between our different screw holes on the other side. We'll now attach it to the bottom with the existing holes, and then use those additional holes that we drilled with the screws that are provided, just so it's good there, and we'll be good to go. All right, once you have all your holes drilled for your front lip, you're gonna start using some 3M tape. Start close on the edge, but not right on the edge. This 3M tape I'm using, it has a gray finish, so it'll blend in perfectly with the carbon fiber, and you're just gonna run it all the way down. Until you finish out the rest of the front lip. Once you're ready for the lip install, you're gonna wanna clean the underneath bumper so that way the 3M tape can properly adhere to it. You're ready, you can go ahead and put up your lip. Finish undoing the rest of the tape wherever you had it, which went from one side all the way to the other side. and then firmly press up on the lip. I have the 4 main bolts that connect the front bumper itself. So I have all those on there. And of course, as always, add additional screws where needed on your front bumper where you may feel that it needs a little bit more support at. So we'll have it backed out of the garage. That way we can really take a good look of my M5 with the RW carbon lip on it. It's already looking sweet, and something that it's gonna just change the overall look on my 2016 BMW M5.
Chuki beat.
All right guys, well that completes the install of the RW carbon front lip on my 2016 BMW M5. Installation, of course, very simple to add on to your M5. Changes the look completely, still has aggressive look, nice fit and finish for the lip on the bumper. I'm definitely satisfied I went with this one. I had a few different options that I was trying to debate on, but happy that I went with the RW Carbon one. Check out the RW Carbon lip that I installed on my M5 here today. I'm gonna put their link down in the description box below. Plenty of other carbon fiber add-ons for your cosmetic needs for any of your BMWs. So plenty of stuff that they have out there. Check them out, of course. So I will be adding some additional carbon fiber pieces to my M5 here coming very soon. Well guys, thanks again. Big thumbs up on this quick little DIY. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. More videos on the M5. I have a 2008 335 over there as well. 450 plus videos of DIYs, informational stuff, and tons of videos as well on my M5 here. Thanks again guys. Hopefully you guys are staying warm where you are, and I'll be chatting with you on the next video. Take care. See ya.